is your spacious living area where you can steel sink. You can see how spacious your kitchen is. Here is your master bedroom that is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Agami Eternity by Agami located in Bandra, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the project is almost ready. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project has a standalone tower of ground plus 23 story. As you can see in the model, this is a standalone tower that has ground plus 23 story of 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 15 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, yoga deck, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near to Guru Nanak Hospital, Bandra East, from where Aqualine metro station is at a distance of 300 meters, BKC is at a distance of 1.5 kilometers, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 1 kilometer, and you have Bandra railway station at a distance of 10 minutes from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now we are entering the spacious 2.5 BHK of the residential project Agami Eternity. This 2.5 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 850 square feet. As I enter, you can see how spacious this apartment is. You will be getting video door phones and digital lock provided, and on this side you can see this over here is your spacious living area where you can place your sofa, center table and customize your TV unit. In this corner we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table, and also you can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. This apartment is on a butterfly layout, so your first bedroom is on this side. As we enter, you can see how spacious your bedroom is, where you can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can see how uniquely you can design your wardrobes on both the side along with your TV unit. Also, you have plenty of walkable space even after placing your furniture, and you will be getting full French windows in this bedroom. And in this corner, you have a private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, the best part about the project is that you will be getting Italian marble flooring in the whole apartment. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your kitchen, washroom, your 0.5 space and your master bedroom. On this side first, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with a stainless steel sink. You can see how spacious your kitchen is. You have space provided to place your washing machine and your refrigerator on one side. And moving forward, diagonally opposite to your kitchen is your common washroom, which is a powder washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And besides your kitchen and diagonally opposite to the powder washroom is a 0.5 area that you can customize and design as per your choice. You can make this your study room, your kids room or your gaming room, whatever you wish to. And now before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom of this spacious 2.5 BHK. As we enter, you can see this over here is your master bedroom that is very spacious. You can place your king size bed along with the side tables. You can customize your TV unit, your makeup corner or your study corner. You will be getting full French windows, and you can see how spacious this bedroom is as you have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can also design your wardrobe in this corner that will be very spacious, and beside that is your entrance to your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was the 2.5 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Agami Eternity. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 2.5 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Agami Eternity by Agami located in Bandra.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.